Hindi, mga baby boys sa kasi next. Ayan, ito mga baby boys.
Kaedad mo, kaedad.
Nung baby boy ko, kaedad. Charot na din. Ano yan? To Juan Carlos, Kyle, and of course to Elijah. Ganyan. Kasi like here, parang so far sa napanood ko, parang ang pinakita nyo is not just the ordinary leading man. Hindi yung, di ba parang multi-layered siya na hindi siya yung tipong super pa cute lang and all. Ganyan. Pero kayo ba at this early stage in your career, bakit ni-risk nyo yung ganon? Kasi di ba parang normally, pag mga ka-age nyo, mas gusto nila muna yung goody and all, ganyan. Pero ngayon pinakita nyo na agad yung yung kakaibang side. Ganyan.
Kaya nyo gumawa ng mga dark characters.
I guess for me personally, I never siguro pumasok sa isip ko yung buong concept ng leading man. I mean, for example, ginawa ko lahat ng mga bagay na bawal sa artista. So, I mean...
sa manager, no?
So, I mean, it was really... Going back to the root of all of it was really the passion that I just really... And the love that I just really have for, performing in general, whether it be in the medium of music or in films. And so I guess for me personally, when it comes to like characters I play, never pumapasok sa akin yung buong concept ng leading man. I mean, yeah. I mean, kung magkakatanggap ng leading man project, I mean, that would be greatly appreciated. I mean, even for Dreamscape to get me for this project, I'm really honored and blessed for that. But ako kasi I never really see, or I never really think of like a project na isang tao lang kasi if you go on set and if you look at how everyone's working, it's all a team effort, and I don't really personally get the whole point of a leading man. But yeah, so I don't know. So no pressure naman siguro on my end. Parang ini-enjoy ko lang po yung ginagawa ko basically, and I'm just enjoying my company. And kung ano man yung character na matanggap or project na matanggap, go lang, tira lang. Yun lang.
Kyle? Pagsasabay ni Kyle? Ano mo? Yung napagsasabay mo naman, di ba? You get to do roles challenging and then switch it ulit.
I mean, lumaki naman po ako sa industriya na ginagawa ko po yung mga love stories, mga ganon. Nung finish po to sa akin, una, siyempre nagulat ako kasi may tiwala po talaga yung Dreamscape sa akin para gawin ganitong klaseng role. It's of course, it's been a dream of mine naman to tackle action, mga ganon. More than just your regular teenager talaga. And for me naman po kasi for the past year, I've really chosen my projects properly in a way. Like, it's not that I'm saying this one's not for me because it's a teen show or ganon. It's more of I wanted to choose projects that will bring me in the right direction, will keep moving me forward because with what happened with my sister, I really wanted to make sure what I'm doing is right and bringing me in the right direction. 2 steps forward, never 2 steps back. Kumbaga. And for Dreamscape to really trust me in these kind of roles, yung mga gantong klase na talaga malalim talaga, I'm so blessed. I'm so honored to be portraying these kind of characters na kakaiba. I would say one of my most deep projects, my most deep characters pala, that I'm willing to tackle, and I'm excited to see where Obed goes with his story.
Thanks, Kyle.
Bly.
Baby boy?
Bakit ko? Chika! Ma-discover mo.
Ako kasi baliktad eh. Lahat ng nagawa ko halos puro dark naman. Hindi ko pa talaga, I mean, once ko pa na-experience yung rom-com with, tas BL yun for Game Boys, but most of the stuff that I've done, puro dark and gritty. Pero I love that, yun yung na-enjoy ko talaga. Kaya ito, super enjoy ko rin talaga.
Piece of cake na to ang ganyan.
Pero game din ako, sabi ni JK, kung game mag-leading mo, bakit hindi? But I mean, yung dark stuff, I guess, sinasabi nga ng Tita Ibiang kanina, it's about like passion you know, if it's challenging, it's fun. Tapos it keeps, like, excited ka magising to work, tapos to learn more things. And if you explore kasi these different characters, mas lumalalim din yung empathy mo for people in general. Kasi ang dami-daming rason kung bakit tayo ganito. Yun. Thank you po.
Thank you. Congrats.
If I may share lang about Kyle. The day na tinawag sila for look test, StoryCon, nakita ko na talaga talagang nakikian siya sa stylist na para baka pwedeng ibahin natin yung ano ko. Kasi ang galing, sabi ko nga, he loves the project. Kaya sabi ko, gagalingan nito dito. And sure enough. Hindi pa namin makikita, pero alam namin exactly saan papunta yung character. I wanna ask the whole cast before we wrap this up. First off, si Mon kasi sabi kanina, kung right pathing lang daw, you are leading, papunta ka dun sa path ng career ng John Arcilla. How would you comment to that? Na parang hahanapin sa 930 slot ang John Arcilla o mga Epikizon, or how would you feel na ang expectations sa pagiging villain mo or ni Baron ay hahanapin ng tao sa senior high?
Well, it's isang malaking karangalan na marinig yan. Si John Arcilla ay isa sa tinitingala kong artista mula pa nung General Luna.
Hindi kayo sabay definitely pumasok, diba? Very, very ahead siya sa'yo.
Malayo.
Lolong-lolo mo na siya. Charot ka.
Hindi ako nagsabi.
Ako nagsabi, ako. Bakit?
Hindi, isa sa mga tinitingala ko talaga si John Arcilla. Sinabi ko sa kanya yan personally, na sabi ko maraming salamat dahil itinaas mo ang kalidad o pagkilala sa mga character actors.
Ang sagot niya, maliit na bagay. Piece of cake.
Sabi ko na i-inspire ako at maraming mga character actors sa ginagawa mo. So, well, honored talaga ako na hinahanap, sabi mo nga, yung pagiging
pag natural mo, meron lumalabas, so yung natural na lang, hindi uma-acting na. I'm flattered at sa pagkakasama ko pa lang dito sa Senior High Project, talagang super excited ako at grateful, very grateful. Thank you. Ito na yung questions for everyone. Reporting to the set, sino ang nai-intimidate ka, kinatatakutan mo? Balik natin muna, Jake, Juan Carlos, kay ano ha. May ganun definitely, wag tayo magplastikan dito. May mga kinatatakutan ko yung co-actors nyo, ganyan. Kung may kinatatakutan, may kinasasaya kayong makita sa set. Sino yung medyo paghahandaan ko to? Ito yung, ang saya ko, makikita kami ni ganyan. Go ahead, Mon.
As I've said, hindi ko pa alam kung saan papunta ang character ko talaga. Pero excited ako na makatrabaho si Juan Carlos.
Which already,
yung mga ilang eksenang nagawa namin, meron kaming mga eksena na halos nasaktan ko siya. At very, very...
Ay, doon po.
Halos lang ba yun?
Wow.
Hindi halos. Grabe, nasaktan ko siya.
Ay, sinampal mo siya.
Nasa trailer naman yon na sinampal ko siya, bumaka talaga yung kamay ko.
Nasa trailer ba?
Nasa trailer yun. Teaser. Yung first teaser.
The first teaser.
And sobrang bilib ako sa batang ito. Very, very professional. Sinacrifice niya talaga yung nag-take two pa. Kaya humingi pa ng isang safety si Direk.
Wawa naman.
Yes, excited ako kay Juan Carlos talaga.
Excited na masampal ulit.
Isang malaking karangalan.
May masampal ng Mon Confiado.
Pagkatapos mo lang sa parang, salamat po.
Sinong director yung humingi ng safety? Charot, sinong director yung?
Direct po na. Opo, direct po.
Are you listening?
Opo.
Huwag na pong mauulit.
Hindi, okay lang kasi super, asin seryoso ka lang aram talaga to. Iba. Sarap. Ano po yung question nila?
Sino yung